Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica here, and today I'm going to get my haircut done by myself at home and share it with you all. Since lockdown started, I didn't get a haircut done, so I wanted to do it so badly. And if you are a subscriber of my channel, you know that previously we did a hair growth challenge and you saw how fast my hair has grown, and it's pretty long now. So I wanted to get a haircut. And also I asked a question on my community tab, should I go for a straight cut or a layers, and most of you answered for a straight cut, and we are going to do it today. So let's get started. And you will need a comb obviously, and then you also need a hair dressing scissor. If you don't have, you can use a new sharp regular scissor. I'm going to use a regular one, and few rubber bands. And you will need 2-3 rubber bands according to your hair length. Make sure that the rubber band is nice and tight. Before starting, detangle your hair properly. If you have wavy or curly hair, make sure that you wet your hair so that you get a even cut. If you have straight hair and if it's not that thick, you can go with dry hair itself, or else you have to wet your hair so that you get a nice and straight cut. So I'm going for a straight cut, and I'm planning to get rid of all these layers and these ends, and also to cut like 5 inches. Let's see. So before starting, I'm taking a middle partition, and also I'm going to tie a low ponytail. As you can see, I have used 3 rubber bands, and I'm very sorry I used black one, so it's not that visible. What I'm doing is that I'm going to pull the rubber band down to the desired level to get a proper straight cut. So as you can see, I'm doing it very slowly. So this will help us to get a proper straight cut. You have to do it from backside. If you do it from front, then you won't get a proper straight cut.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
So I'm going to get rid of so much of hair. So as you can see, it's like 4 to 5 inches long. 5 inches, I guess it will be approximately 5 inches. So I want to get rid of it. Even though it looks very thin, but then it makes a huge difference when it comes to the length, because I did layers, so obviously the ends will be thin only. And yeah, I'm doing a straight cut.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Now I'm very much satisfied with the hair length. This is the hair length I wanted, and don't worry, the end is not that straight and even. Again, I'm going to trim it and make it straight. And I just wanted to check the length, whether I'm just satisfied with it or not, or I wanted to go shorter, but I'm okay with it. If I go shorter than this, then it will make a very huge difference. Now itself, as you can see, it makes a very huge difference. So now I'm going to divide my hair into 2 equal sections and smooth it out using my hands and hold it like so, and then trim the excess hair, and I'm going with diagonal cut to get that natural finish.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And this is the final look. I'm very much satisfied with the haircut. I'm not a professional, but I did a good job. It looks very natural, and it may not look very professional, but it looks natural. And yeah, I hope this video was helpful to you. With long hair, it's difficult to cut by yourself, but if you have medium hair, you can follow the same method and you can get a proper straight cut. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified of my further videos. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye. Love you all. Be safe.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on